My name is Janine Huseman. I invest in the Monterey Bay Area. I am an auctioneer. I'm a third generation auctioneer. I met Whitney at a networking event for women in the auction industry. Since joining the mastermind with Whitney, last year with just my wholesales, and this was working part-time because I have other businesses going on, I made $87,000. The thing is Whitney is real. She talks to you like a real person. She tells you when she messes up. She is really out there doing these deals. She'll tell you the funny things she's done. She'll tell you when she was sitting on the floor crying because she was frustrated. She will help you with it. She is always there for you. And she knows what she's talking about, and she can talk to you without talking down to you. She knows what it's like to be a woman in this world. It seems to be a man's world, but it doesn't have to be. It can be a lot of fun, and surrounding yourself with other women that are doing the same thing and encouraging each other and helping each other out and working through problems together, it's so worth joining. If you are frustrated with your job, if you want to have side money, if you want to have retirement money, I would recommend doing this because this is the way to do it, that you can do multiple homes, you can do multiple deals in a very, very short time.